Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to share with you my review of the Zero Gravity Chair Patio Folding Lawn Outdoor Lounge Gravity Camp Reclining Lounge Chair. This set of 2 chairs is an absolute game changer for anyone who loves to relax and unwind in the great outdoors. First of all, let me tell you that these chairs require absolutely no assembly. That's right, you can take them straight out of the box and start enjoying the ultimate comfort and relaxation they provide. Whether you want to take a nap, read a book, or simply soak up the sun, these chairs are perfect for any outdoor activity. The comfort level of these chairs is out of this world. The breathable fabric and full padded detachable pillows provide a cool and luxurious experience, especially on those hot summer days. Not to mention, the durable steel tube frame can support up to 300 pounds, making these chairs suitable for just about anyone. But the best feature of these chairs has to be the lockable recliner system. You can easily adjust the angle to your liking, from 0 to 170 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect position for ultimate relaxation. It's like floating in zero gravity. These chairs are perfect for any outdoor space, whether it's by the pool, on the lawn, in the garden, or on the patio. They will truly elevate your leisure time and provide a level of comfort that is unmatched. So, if you're someone who loves spending time outdoors and values comfort and relaxation, I highly recommend checking out the Zero Gravity Chair Patio Folding Lawn Outdoor Lounge Gravity Camp Reclining Lounge Chair. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And the best part? You can find the product link in the description below. Go ahead and treat yourself to the ultimate outdoor relaxation experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.